What's up, YouTube? This is actually the third time I'm trying to make this video because I keep messing up and I'm not good at editing, so I'm not trying to take like 3 videos and make one good one. So wish me luck. I'm going to try to work my way all the way through this in one shot. But this is for the Ford followers who are doing the LS swaps. Had a guy, Ryan, actually email me. He's asked me a couple questions about how I did a few things, and then he's actually doing one. He sent me a picture of it. It's gonna be a pretty nice little ride when he's done, because it's a short bed, not a long bed, which that makes truck look better, because not too many people like a long bed, you know what I'm saying? But here's a short bed, LS swap. He's got some nice heads on it, nice cam. Man, his thing's gonna be sweet. It's gonna make some power. It's gonna be nice. I'll be anxious to see his stuff when he's done. But anyways, I was telling him I got an intake off of Amazon. $52 for this intake is what I paid. I don't know if the price can vary for y'all, but $52 what I paid for it. To the door. It's for an 03 Avalanche, which is what I got this motor out of. But pretty much regardless on how you do it, something's got to be moved, unless you're going to maybe, make an intake pipe, custom build one that's going to shoot down through all this mess and, grab some cold air down there somewhere. But I wasn't energetic, so I went this route. Like I say, $52 off Amazon. This boot is a little cheap. It's probably going to fail over time, but I'll grab like an $8 silicone boot and it'll be fine. But anyways, I relocated a battery. The factory Ford, I can't remember what group size the factory battery was, but it wasn't going to fit right there. It was too big. It was going to hit the hood, so I got a smaller battery. Not worried about it, because this battery only primary function is going to be to start this truck and run the computers, because I'm doing a couple extra batteries in the bed, putting a second big alternator on this thing, all for the stereo. So all that's going to be for the stereo. Only thing this battery's going to be done when it's all said and done is crank the truck and run lights and computers. So smaller battery, not a problem. Not worried about it. But to relocate it, all I did was simply use the factory battery tray and moved it back. Couple bolts through the inner fender. This bracket was for, I just bent it a little bit sharper, and it bolts there, comes out, bolts. Trying to get to where y'all can see it. My lighting sucks, I'm sorry. Bolts up right there. And then I built a little bracket that goes off the bottom of this and shoots down to the frame. So the battery's not going nowhere. It's got the factory hold down. Battery's not going nowhere. It's where it needs, it's where I put it, and it's where it's going to stay. A little close to AC, but not going to be a big deal. Anyways, yeah, unless there ain't a whole lot of options for doing an intake unless you move something, whether it's the battery or the coolant reservoir. And let me show you all a trick I did, because this truck runs good. I ain't gonna lie. You mad at it from dead stop, it puts you in the seat. Problem was, it was splashing coolant. Every time you stabbed the gas, it would throw coolant out of this reservoir. So you know what I did? I got a bag of like 30 or 50 practice golf balls and shoved them inside there. So you can see there's still coolant there. That just, it slows the slosh down. It keeps from splashing out. Ever since I did that, haven't had no splosh whatsoever. Splash, splosh, whatever. Anyways, that's my little short video on this intake. Like I say, man, like $52. Boot, it comes with everything. Boot, tube, boot, all these clamps, air filter, this little box, which is metal. It's flimsy, but man, it kind of helps insulate, isolate the hot air from the cool air, which it grabs from behind the headlight, from the corner over there. So man, it's not a bad little deal. $52 off Amazon, why not, right? But man, I hope y'all like this video. That's my little quick video on this whole deal. If you got questions, comments, anything, man, let me know. And Ryan, if you're watching this video and if you by chance have a YouTube on your truck, man, put in the comments so people can enjoy your videos too. Anyways, have a nice day, man.